Well, to tell you the truth, I am not feeling good because I have family down there.
Hi guys, I'm Gio and I'm here with.
Nicole.
Hi Nicole. So I have a question. How do you feel about what's happening on the western side of the island today?
Well, to tell you the truth, I am not feeling good because I have family down there. My kids' father, mother, grandfather, grandparents, all of them down there, and I haven't heard from them, so I don't know what's going on. At this point, I'm very tense and uncomfortable, but we're praying for the best. And I don't even know what to say, but trust me, it's a terrible feeling. Trust me.
So question, are you going to go down there anytime soon seeing as they have family down there and you can't hear from them?
Well, I want to. I have a son down there that is in the JDF. Well, him kind of give me some little whatever from down there. But I would want to go down there to see it for myself. Hearing from other people that go down there, church family, church members, trust me, it's not good. But I would want to go down there to see for myself. I will feel better. Yes, most definitely. My church body is doing that at the moment, so we are planning on going down there. Soon, trust me, very soon. Very soon. Because you know you can't go down there with your long and you have to go down there with something.
So Nicole, how you feel about the East getting back into regular life and the West still suffering?
Well, I wouldn't say the East is regular life because they are down there, it's very terrible. We are up here mentally stressed about the whole thing for them, you know? And being mentally about them can be very hard.
But honestly, West, why do our best? You understand me? Why send down supplies? You understand why do a whole lot? It's not being seen right now, right? But we're getting it done.
Most definitely.